Hey guys, welcome back, and today we'll show you how to set up payment links using Stripe. So open the Stripe website on your favorite web browser, click on More, and then select Payment Links. This will display all the payment links that you've created using Stripe. So for the purposes of this video, go ahead and create Test Payment Link. From here, you can actually make any kind of payment link you want using Stripe. There are two types, products or subscriptions, and customers choose what to pay. When choosing customers choose what to pay, this is mostly used for tips, donations, or any kind of payment links where the customer will choose how much to pay you. You can select the currency, and underneath advanced options, you can see many options for customers to choose how they want to pay you and what kind of data they'll be giving you when they give you donations. And on the right-hand side, you'll be able to see the preview of how that donation button will look like. Now, if you want to choose a payment method for a specific product, go ahead and choose Products or Subscriptions, and then select Add New Product. From here, you can give yourself a product name, add a description, and also set the price for said product. You can even select the kind of currency you wish to be paid in for said product. Now, once you're happy with all the changes, click on Save. You can see the preview for the product and the price. And when you go back, you can now see your product with the desired price underneath your products list. Now, the blue copy button is what you'll be using to copy the product URLs for adding to your Wix or Shopify websites. And that's it. You've now created a payment method for your products using Stripe. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.